Hi there! Welcome to the demo video of Binsta app. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can turn your Instagram account into a whirlpool of traffic sources. You see, Instagram is the third largest social platform with over 1 billion active users, but so far no software has come close to utilizing this huge traffic source as Binsta does. Also, Instagram's algorithm will favor you when you're constantly engaging, interacting, posting, liking, commenting on the platform. Once your activity is high, Instagram will immediately start looking for everyone who can be interested in your profile and content and recommend you to them. But here's the problem. Instagram is not always right, so you end up with crappy, irrelevant traffic. This is where Binsta comes in like a knight in shining armor. Binsta enables you to automate all your Instagram activity, liking, commenting, following, unfollowing, reposting, posting and post scheduling, DM messages and replies, and so much more. Everything you can do on Instagram to build your engagement and attract followers can be automated on Binsta. Not only that, you can select your target audience so that Instagram will only find users who are relevant to your audience, thereby building you highly targeted followers you can monetize instantly. See some of the features of Binsta that make it super incredible. First of all, you need to do is to add your Instagram account to Binsta. Click on Account, New Account, enter your Instagram username and password. Your Instagram accounts will be added. Add Post. To add a new post, click on Add Post. Then select which type of post you want to add. You can choose between Add Post, Add Story, and Add Album. You can upload your media from your computer. Now below, you can add a caption about your post and first comment on your post. You can schedule your post if you want to publish later. To schedule your post, check this box and choose your date and time. You can click on the Advanced feature if you want your post to target a particular location or region. You can also add your bio link. Remember, this link will be set in your Instagram account bio after the media is successfully published. If you want to restore your previous bio link after some time, just select the time from the drop-down and your bio link will be restored to your previously selected bio link. Now, we are going to publish our post now, so I am going to uncheck the scheduling box and click on Publish Now. You can see your post published successfully. Now, let's check out posts on Instagram. It's done. The Auto Like. This is one of the best tools to interact with posts of new Instagram users or users you follow. It increases the amount of activity on your account. Now, select Auto Like option from Dashboard and select the Instagram account from the top left corner. You can use a hashtag, place, or people to target. Write your targeted words, let's say sneakers, shoes. Select your account speed. Choose the status either as, and you can choose the time to pause or continue the campaign and click on Save to finish your setup. After inputting all of your settings, you can click on the activity log to check your activity. The Auto Follow. Autofollow will be a very useful tool for you if you want to follow followers of a specific account. This extension comes with a very basic settings option, which will be more than enough to help you gain more followers back. To use the autofollow option, simply click on the autofollow option on the dashboard, then select your account from top left corner and select your target. You can choose a hashtag, place, or people. Write your targeted words and then fill all required fields, and make sure to activate the status of autofollow option. After about 30 to 1 hour, you can click on the activity log to see the number of accounts Binsta has followed on your behalf. The Auto Unfollow. Auto Unfollow helps you reduce the number of followers, thus getting rid of unsuspecting character, accounts, and activity. It's very necessary, especially while using Auto Follow. To use the Auto Unfollow option, click on Auto Unfollow on the dashboard and select your account from top left corner. Select your speed and make your status active. In the whitelist option, you need to include the usernames that you don't want Binsta to unfollow. Check the box if you don't want to unfollow your old followers. You can pause your action every day. You can choose your source of unfollow. You may decide to unfollow all of your followers, or you can unfollow followers followed by an auto-follow module only. The Auto Repost. Auto Repost is a very useful feature to repost random posts temporarily. The feature will select random posts according to selected targets, repost them, and will remove them. Just like other automation modules already discussed, you can target in terms of hashtags, locations, or people. Click on Repost option from Dashboard, then select your account from top left corner, select your target in Settings, select your speed, and remover after time. Type your caption. If you want to post without caption, leave empty to repost without a caption. Make your status active and choose other options as you want and click on Save. The Auto View Stories. Users can engage with people they are following by auto-viewing their stories, thus engaging and encouraging them to view their profile back. Basically, you get to automatically view stories of people or accounts you are following. To use Auto View Stories option, click on Auto View Story from top Dashboard, then select your account from top left corner from Setting tab, select your speed, we recommend Auto, and then make your status enabled. The Auto Comment automates the commenting process right from a browser. It comes with targeting settings which will be more than enough to help your users gain more followers from other Instagram posts. Just like other automation modules already discussed, you can target in terms of hashtags, locations, or people. To write your comment, simply click on the Comments tab and type your comment, and click on Save. Then select your target from Target in Settings, type your targeted words, select your speed, Auto Recommended, and make your status active and click on Save. Auto DM People. This tool is used to directly interact with Instagram users. Helps your users to market their accounts to other potential followers. They can see and reply to the Instagram DMs in real time. Just like other automation modules already discussed, you can target people in terms of hashtags, locations, or people. On the Auto DM People page, select your account from top left corner, and from the Message tab, type your message and then click on Add Message. Now select your target from Target in Setting tab, hashtag, place, or people, and type your targeted word, select your speed, and make your status active, and click on Save to save settings. Auto Welcome DM helps users send an automated welcome direct message to new followers. In most cases, they are welcome messages that help you build a rapport with them. On the Auto Welcome DM page, click on the Message tab to write your message and make it safe. By clicking on the Add Message, then click on the Settings tab, select your speed, and make your status active, then click on Save. Always check on activity log after few hours to see how Binsta is performing.